can be. I is for yellow, up and down. Z is for zebra, black and brown. Now we know our ABC. Sing along and dance with me. A is for apple, U, C, and red. B is for ball, bouncing on our head. C is for cat, so fluffy and sweet. D is for drum, feel the beat. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for fish, swimming all day long. G is for giraffe, tall and neat. H is for hat, that's cool and neat. I is for igloo, icy and cold. J is for jelly, wiggly and bold. K is for kite, flying in the sky. L is for lion, hear him roar high. N is for moon, glowing so bright. N is for nest, birds sleep at night. O is for octopus with arms so wide. P is for penguin, sliding with pride. Q is for queen, wearing her crown. R is for rabbit, hopping around. S is for sun, shining all day. T is for train, chugging away. U is for umbrella, for rainy days. V is for violin, music that plays. W is for whale, splashing the sea. X is for xylophone, fun as can be.